Our goal is to find an underserved area that's also practical, that also matches the doctor's practice strategy. And when I say practice strategy, I'm talking about ideal patient type. So again, the three things there are competition. It's not everything, but of course, less is better. It's got to be practical. So that comes down to, you're not going to open over a national park or an airport. You're going to open where there just are people living. And then that third thing, those people should be what a doctor is going for. So if you want to do more restorative dental care, can we find an area maybe middle to upper middle income where median age is 42 plus and it's strong home ownership? And if we want to look at education, do you want to serve more like the middle class blue collar or white collar upper middle class? That's all figuring out, okay, doctor's practice strategy. Can we find, again, going back to it, an area where it's underserved, it's practical, so it makes sense. And then lastly, that potential patient base matches what the doctor has in mind. Because maybe you're not going to hit a home run on all three of those fronts, but it's got to come into place a little bit. If it's super, super, super competitive, but it also matches your practice strategy, well, we're hitting on two of those, three things. We're sort of compromising a little bit. Can we find an area where, at least across the three, it makes somewhat sense?